Hello and welcome to today's little tutorial. Today we're going to address a situation that occurs when you have your data set that is missing a block of data. In this case, we're going to say it's missing a month worth of information. That may have occurred for any number of reasons. Now you will need to take that data and convert it into a pivot table, and you're going to have a gap. As you can see, I have my data set. I'm going to quickly make a pivot table out of this by simply going to the Insert tab, clicking the Pivot Table button. All my settings are OK as is, and simply tapping the OK button. Now that I've created my pivot table, I'm simply going to add a value of my unit price, and I'm also going to go ahead and add my order dates to my rows. As you can see, I'm going to have all of the months except for the month of April. So to fix this, I'm simply going to right-click any of these field headings, and then I'm going to choose from the drop-down menu Field Settings. In the Field Settings window, I'm now going to go ahead and jump to the Layout and Print tab, come down and choose the Show Items with No Data, and now I'm going to tap the OK button. As you can now see, the month of April has been added back into my pivot table. In fact, I can even expand the group and see all the individual days of the month. Now I'm going to go ahead and collapse that, and that concludes our little tutorial. So to recap, when you have a situation where there is a block of time missing from your data and you need that represented in your pivot table, all you have to do is right-click on that field in the pivot table, go to your field settings, go to the Print and Layout tab, and turn on the Show Missing Items. Then click OK and you're done.